Hi, this is Calvin of HCBR Texas, Hill Country Building and Renovation. Today I am doing a final video at our warehouse, our commercial warehouse project in Blanco, Texas for Blanco AC, electric and air conditioning. So anyways, here we go. Here is the building that we built. And this is next to their existing building. They grew out of this and they needed a lot more space. So we built this building for them. It is 50 wide and 100 feet long. And before we got here, this was just a parking lot. Just blacktop, and that was about it. So anyways, this is what we did. So as you can see, the grade here was pretty significant, and it gets taller as it gets down here. Now we put a lot of stone on here to kind of mitigate the look of a really tall building, and it did a pretty good job at doing that. So this is a red iron, a heavy metal building, and this is in the city of Blanco. And it took quite a bit to get a permit to do this. So on this side, it's got one man door entrance with a stair on it. And as you can see, we put this, the foundation, we put the beams right at the edge of the asphalt. And so we cut the asphalt and peeled it up and hauled it away. And my concrete guys did a really good job at not having a lot of repairs to the blacktop. There is a repair down here. That's Roxy. Her job is to inspect and eat food. That's kind of what she does. So here we had a little bit of a repair on this paving. So anyways, they are doing the electrical themselves. We didn't do the electrical on this, and so because they do electrical, so we didn't do that part. So there's a roll-up door here so that it's very convenient to go back and forth from their existing building. You see these Connex boxes with all their supplies and stuff. You can see them back there. Another one here, another one there. So they're really looking forward to consolidating all their stuff into one building, and that's this building here. So we have another roll-up door here on the back side, of course, with the ramp. And this is the interior. So, the white walls that you see here it's insulation. It's about an R10. It's just enough insulation to kind of, not turn into an oven, because, in Texas it gets really hot in a metal building. So it has a PVC cover on it, and so it really turns out to be a really nice interior finish. So here's another man door on the other side. We did a mezzanine so that they could increase their storage space by putting some stuff up here, and then of course a set of steel stairs. And as you notice, up on the ceiling there are some cable X bracing for wind shear, and we put a lot of support under this floor so that they can store a lot of stuff up here and not have a problem with the weight that might be here. So anyways, it turned out really nice. There's an opening in the handrail here so that they can lift stuff up here with their forklift. And so it turned out really nice. Our customer, who we built this for, owns this and then then Blanco AC, they lease it from them. So, and there's more. They're trying to buy some more property uphill from here and put in some more buildings. So we'll be doing more work with them. So, anyways, this is the kind of thing we do. We like doing these. Now, normally we do the electric, we do some plumbing, and we do all kinds of stuff. There are interior walls. We do all the metal framing and sheetrock and plumbing and electrical and all that kind of stuff. So we can either do something like this. This was a pretty bare bones project, and we can do a lot more interior finish as well. So, anyways, what's your next awesome project, and how can we help you out with that?